Good afternoon. My name is Jim Ciano. I designed a product to help install um, Tyvek or house wrap. The house wrap is a material that is used to seal the house before they put up any type of outside protection. It's used by all the contractors. Um, okay, first thing I'm going to talk about is Uh, worked for the railroad, Tiger sold nationally, dangerous. All right. Rule of thumb, you're looking at a couple slides in front of you. Rule of thumb takes two guys, average about 4 to 6 hours, house, and one guy to wrap a whole house. As you can see, there's downsides. People fall off the ladders, get hurt. You got injury time, lost time, and of course, you got impact financially, and there's a difficulty installing house wraps, especially in windy weather. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, if you look at these pictures right here, if you look at the guy on the left, he's getting ready to install a 9-foot roll of Tyvek. You can see how it's all clumped together. If you go to the next slide, that's a cherry picker. You see how the Tyvek is doubled over. With the two products I have, which you'll see videos on, that'll eliminate that problem. And of course, you look at the third picture, you see a guy, holding onto a roof, putting up Tyvek. So it's very dangerous, and we can cut down on the dangers of it. It's basically, it makes it faster, easier, and safer way of installing house wrap. Next, please. Now, as you can see here, this is controlling the roll. And that'll work on that cherry picker, any type of scaffolding, things like that. And if you look, I have the product right here with me. I know you can't see it, but what it does is it grips onto the roll, and as you pull the roll on, it keeps constant tension on the roll of Tyvek. And if you can see that these guys, they all unroll Tyvek by hand, and they're also, one guy's unrolling, the other guy's stapling it. That's usually how they go. Next slide, please. This is the one of my prototypes. This is the second prototype. As you can see, it's evenly putting the Tyvek against the house. Now another guy would be following that with a stapler, and he'd be stapling the Tyvek to the house. And again, it eliminates some of the going up and down the ladder. And the way they do it now is two guys would be on two different ladders. They'd roll out the material, cut it, and they would both go up their ladders 40 feet apart, pull tight on the Tyvek, which is a 9-foot by 40-foot, which, especially if it's windy, it'd be very hard to control. What this unit does is it slowly puts it in, pinpoints where it's going, and I believe it's faster, easier, and safer than the way they do it now. Next one, please. My 90 days my action plan is one is I'm working right now with the University of Delaware and Delaware Tech, trying to get a design guy, one of their design engineers, and what I'm going to use him for is him and the machine shop. They'll be working together to figure out the best way to design this product, manufacture it in Delaware, and make it safer, faster, and bulletproof. So these things are going to see a play. And then after that, we're going to apply for the EDGE and the Shore Hatchery funding. And hopefully we're going to part with local contractors to test the product. And of course, source and assemble in Delaware. Next one, please. Develop the prototypes. I already have a couple prototypes. Again, you can't see them. I have staplers, and what I'm doing is I'm making an extension so when the guys are up on the ladders, they'll be able to reach out further. Now they're only about able to reach out their arm's length. And what I'll do is I'll put it on an extension so they'll be able to reach out twice as far to do the stapling. 4,000 to 5,000 staples go into a house. So it's a lot of staples. This product will make it the workers will have to use the ladders less and less because they'll be covering more area when they're up on the ladder. Determine the value and use, which is pretty good. It's like, what are we saving them? What is product value that I'm bringing to them? And then refine pricing. Pilot launch, we're going to target 1 to 3 regional markets with high construction activity, send out videos, do whatever we got to do, travel to trade shows, put together a website, and try and get the customers or future customers or anybody that is either installing Tyvek or sells equipment to install Tyvek or house wrap, and the big trade shows, and what we'll do with the big box stores like Home Depot and Lowe's, and what we'll try and do is get them aboard so they'll be able to rent the equipment out to the local contractors. Next video, please. Again, we just went over short-term use. What's it going to take to they're going to rent the equipment. Like I said, guy can now come in, especially if he's doing it himself. He can now buy this piece of equipment, rent it from Home Depot or Lowe's, take it out, use it on the field, especially if he's doing some sort of maintenance or building the house himself. Look for tool distributions and safety suppliers. And safety is getting more and more serious in this industry because, of course, the number of people getting hurt and what it costs. Direct sales, do online sales, trade shows, and then reach out to contractors. And then hopefully once we design or once we get a group of people together, there'll be our customers, we'll try and market other different types of house wrapping to them for the market. Next, please. There are my financial projections right there. And if you can see in the third year, it's $2.2 million. And that's going with the fact that we can get Home Depot, which owns, they own over 2,200 stores. So if they each bought 2, that'd be 4,400. That'd be quite a nice order. And hopefully back to the manufacturing is we'll be able to set it up so we can manufacture at a different rate to meet the demand that's going to come in. Next video, please. And again, there it is. There it is. The grip. I have the products right here. I can't show them to you right now. I'm going to get this zoomed down eventually one day. Thank you for your time. Any questions, please?